What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video on Chainlink. Just wanted to do a quick video on that. It was requested, but I've also kept my eyes on this. I actually covered it first when it got this major spike slash breakout the 18th of September. Actually thought about entering, I almost have to sneeze, I'm sorry. Actually thought about entering then. Did not do that because I felt like something like this could be coming. Because whether you like it or not, but Link is a bit manipulated right now. It's probably a winter mute manipulation. It's very similar, like if you take a look at Compound, Aave, like all of these cryptos. Thorchain right now, Lido DAO, Injective, they're all kind of in the same spheres. That's also with Link. Now, that doesn't take away from the fact that I think Chainlink is one of the best projects, all right? And definitely with the innovations they brought right here in July, amazing, all right? And they deserve all of this rallying, but this is not normal price behavior. It's not a normal trend. It doesn't matter. It reminds me a little bit of WorldCoin right now, which is pretty much just following the same pattern. But yeah, interesting, bit manipulated. Not a problem. We'll take that into account. That's not bullish or bearish. It just means that it could potentially be a bit unpredictable. You can also see that with the volume, by the way. There's a lot of volume coming from BK, Top Credit, Bitunix. If a lot of volume is coming from those sources, usually it's manipulated. But alright, doesn't matter. We'll talk about it. Before we talk about Chainlink, I do want to tell you that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also receive access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining. I'll leave the links down in the description or the pinned comment, but for now, let's focus on Link. So the thing is that Link right now, not only is it a bit manipulated, and manipulated has such a negative connotation to it. I don't mean that. I mean, there's probably going to be people down in the comments, and if you are one of those people, hear me out, that no, Chainlink, CCIP is rolling out on base and stuff, and great innovations, which are true, and those certainly helped with this bullish momentum, just as the bullish momentum we've seen from Bitcoin helped. But it's not a cause, like there was nothing happening when this first spike happened. And just in general, this is not normal price behavior. All right, so at some point of time, it will probably fall pretty hard. So be careful for that. Right now, the thing is that technically, it just is very bullish. That I am still bullish on Chainlink right now. It's kind of battling against a major resistance level. The open interest and the volume are still good, even though the volume is dropping down. So the thing is that, like I said, there's a strong uptrend right here, which you can identify with a trend line. You don't necessarily have to, but that's a good way to see it. And then you have this major resistance level right here between $8 and 8.15. All right, that's the level which Chainlink is battling up against. And right now, like I would say, purely technically, that the most likely scenario is that Chainlink will break above that. So break above 8.15 and then continuing its bullish momentum up to 8.5 and then up to 8.9. The thing is that technically, like I also have to assume that it will continue this momentum if it behaves like this. Just normally in the past, I've seen that usually it will continue. But the thing is that this is a strong resistance level. And at this point in time, like I would certainly not long Link, because this is the strongest resistance level we've seen for a while after 7.5, which was not really respected. But also, if you go long now, sure, it could go up to $9. But the other side of it is that it drops down all the way back to 6.6 again. So the risk reward is not amazing. So personally, I'm more a fan of just waiting for the confirmation. So technically, we have to assume that this is the most likely scenario, but practically, I'm waiting for either 7.5 or 8. Let's say 8.1. I think 8.1, breaking above 8.1 is already enough. So practically, I'm waiting for one of those two levels to break as a trader, all right, and also as an analyst. Because if one of those two levels breaks, we have confirmation, all right? If 8.1 breaks, then together with all of the other stats we know and we talked about, it's very likely it will continue up to 8.5 at first. And on the other hand, We know that the volume and the open interest are dropping a little bit right now. Not so much that I'm worried, but if that's in combination with Link dropping down below 7.5 and dropping down towards 7.3, then that's bearish confirmation technically, and we have some numbers to support that, and then it's more likely it will fall down all the way to 7 and 6.9. So personally, I'm waiting for that confirmation before really having a bias. My bias right now is slightly bullish, but like I said, we'll see. For now, those are my thoughts. That's my analysis on Chainlink. So thank you for watching. Take care and